Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Destiny 2 crashing. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, click here and then go to graphics settings, enable this option and go back, and then go to view advanced system settings, go to settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, then close it. And after that, go to GeForce Experience. Then go to drivers, check for updates, install latest update that you can find, and go to settings, scroll down, enable image scaling, and after that, restart your PC, and after starting your PC, open Task Manager. Now click on memory to see applications that takes your memory, close all the applications that you don't need and you must know what they do. And that's it, your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.